Well, probably the most important question. And it's one that we ask Chad Anything for Views and John Swan. It's important that we ask you as well. What is your Fursona?
A big fucking like raven looking thing with big fucking wings, like huge wings, right? And I've got a huge beak too, and I have a bunch of kids that I brought along with me, and they're inside eggs, and I feed them via my beak. I spit in their mouths with my bird food that I brought with me. And I'm a furry, a big raven furry, right?